Homeowners in Middleton know the importance of keeping their homes comfortable throughout the changing Idaho seasons. From chilly winters to warm, sunny summers, maintaining an ideal indoor temperature can be challenging and expensive, especially if your windows are outdated. Fortunately, energy-efficient window replacement offers a smart, long-term solution that enhances comfort while saving you money year after year. Upgrading to modern, energy-saving windows isn't just about improving aesthetics, it's an investment that pays for itself through lower utility bills, reduced maintenance, and increased home value. Here's how energy-efficient window replacement delivers long-term cost savings for Middleton residents. Lower monthly energy bills. The most immediate and noticeable benefit of replacing old windows is the reduction in heating and cooling costs. Traditional single-pane windows or those with deteriorating seals allow heat to escape in the winter and enter in the summer. This forces your HVAC system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, driving up your energy bills. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed to minimize heat transfer through advanced features such as low emissivity coatings that reflect heat while allowing light to pass through, double or triple pane glass that traps insulating gas between layers, argon or krypton gas fills for superior thermal insulation, weather-tight seals and insulated frames that prevent drafts. These technologies work together to keep conditioned air inside and outdoor air out. As a result, homeowners in Middleton can experience energy savings of up to 20 to 30% on their utility bills, savings that add up significantly over the lifespan of the windows. Reduced wear and tear on your HVAC system. When your home's windows leak air, your heating and cooling systems must compensate for temperature fluctuations. This constant strain can shorten the lifespan of your HVAC equipment and lead to more frequent repairs. By installing energy-efficient replacement windows, your home maintains a stable indoor temperature, allowing your HVAC system to operate more efficiently. With less wear and tear, you'll enjoy fewer repair costs, longer-lasting equipment, consistent comfort in every season. Over time, these reduced maintenance needs contribute to even greater cost savings, extending the life of your HVAC system and reducing your overall household expenses. Increased home value. Homebuyers today are more environmentally conscious and cost-aware than ever before. When it comes to real estate, energy efficiency isn't just a bonus, it's a major selling point. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows instantly boosts your home's resale value. Buyers see these windows as a long-term investment that will lower their utility costs and improve comfort, making your home more appealing and marketable. According to national data, homeowners can recoup up to 70 to 80% of their investment in window replacement when selling their property. And even if you don't plan to sell anytime soon, you'll still benefit from the improved curb appeal, comfort, and energy performance that these windows provide. Protection against UV and moisture damage. Old windows can allow harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays and moisture to penetrate your home. Over time, UV exposure can cause fading and deterioration in flooring, furniture, and window treatments, requiring expensive replacements. Moisture infiltration can also lead to mold growth and structural damage, adding even more repair costs. Energy-efficient replacement windows feature UV-blocking coatings that protect your interiors from sun damage while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. Their advanced sealing technology also prevents condensation buildup, keeping your windows and walls dry and free from mold. This not only preserves your home's condition but also saves you from costly repairs and replacements in the long run. Durability and low maintenance. Modern energy-efficient windows are built with durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames that resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. Unlike older wooden windows that require regular sanding and painting, these materials need little upkeep, just occasional cleaning. That means fewer maintenance costs, less time spent on repairs, and longer-lasting performance. With professional installation and proper care, energy-efficient windows can last 20 years or more, delivering ongoing savings and reliability. Final thoughts: replacing old windows may seem like a major expense up front, but for Middleton homeowners, it's one of the smartest long-term investments you can make. Energy-efficient window replacement not only enhances your home's comfort and appearance but also leads to substantial savings on energy bills, repairs, and maintenance. By reducing your energy consumption, protecting your interiors, and improving overall efficiency, you're not just saving money, you're increasing your home's value and sustainability. If you're ready to cut energy costs and enjoy a more comfortable home year-round, now is the perfect time to explore energy-efficient window replacement options designed for Middleton's climate. The savings and the comfort will last for decades to come.